Hey, April 14th, 2024. My wife is feeding the chickens and figured I might as well just let y'all watch. Go for it, Pi.
Go for it. Go for it. Put this wheelbarrow on my way.
Good job, Pi. Nice little mix of tomatoes and lettuce and cabbage and so forth. Alrighty, I hope all y'all are doing well. And back with more chicken stuff when there's more chicken stuff. Later.